everyone, today in Sangee's Cookery we are going to see the all-time favorite dish of youngsters, nothing but the Chinese Hakka noodles. Hakka noodles is nothing but the stir-fry noodles with veggies and sauces, and this is usually a Indo-Chinese type of dish. It is told that it is originated from the Chinese population when they were living in Calcutta, and hence it became very popular. This is usually available in most of the restaurants, and also it is very famous in street food. Let's see how interestingly we can prepare this Hakka noodles.
I have taken 2 packets of veg Hakka noodles. What you need to do is first boil approximately around 2 liters of water. Once it comes to the boiling consistency, we will have to open this packet and add the noodles in the hot water and add a teaspoon of salt and little bit of oil, and after that you switch off the gas, and I have drained the noodles like this using a colander. You can also apply some oil on top of the noodles so that it does not stick to each other. This is around 150 grams, so it's 300 grams of noodles. I have taken 1 onion. I'm going to slice this into thin strips. I've taken 8 to 9 flakes of garlic which I've cut into small pieces, 3 to 4 green chilies, approximately around 1 to 2 teaspoons of Szechuan fried rice masala, or if you have any other noodles masala powder you can add that. Salt as per taste, red chili sauce about 1 to 2 tablespoons, tomato ketchup around 1 tablespoon, dark soya sauce around 1 to 2 teaspoons, and I have also coarsely ground the groundnuts. So this will add some crunchy flavor. This is optional. You have to take the groundnuts and you have to roast it and take away the skin and then coarsely grind it. So I have taken some veggies, some amount of cabbage, some broccoli, some yellow capsicum, green capsicum, French beans. I have just cut beans in this shape, some carrots, some red capsicum. So all these mixed vegetables I've taken. All the vegetables have to be cut into long strips except for broccoli which I have cut into florets. Along with this, olive oil required for frying. First I've taken a pan. In that I've added some olive oil. You can add olive oil or any cooking oil if you don't have olive oil. Adding the green chilies. So once the garlic gets fried, I'll be adding the sliced onion as well. I'm adding a little bit of salt so that the onions gets fried faster. Now you can see that the onions has got fried well. I'm going to add the mixed veggies, the broccoli, yellow, green and red capsicum and some carrots as well as beans. Let's fry this. You will not fry it until soft. Let it be crisp also. Just fry for a few seconds. Now the vegetables have been cooked. I'm just going to add some fried rice masala. This is like Szechuan's fried rice masala of Ching's Secret. You can add even the noodles masala. We have approximately around a teaspoon of masala I have added. Also adding some tomato ketchup, a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. I'm also adding some chili sauce, the red chili sauce. Mix it up nicely. Now I'm going to add the cooked noodles. You can also add Ajinomoto. Ajinomoto and other things are added in the restaurants, but if you are very particular about not adding Ajinomoto for health perspective, you can skip that. But if you want a proper Chinese taste, then adding Ajinomoto adds flavor to it. So carefully you need to toss it so that all the sauces get coated in the noodles. Just make sure that you don't break the noodles. Now you can see that the noodles is ready. Finally, I am adding the crushed peanuts as well, and you can also garnish this with spring onions. If you like the flavor of egg, then you can always scramble the eggs and add it and mix it up. So you will get the egg Hakka noodles also. Now let's prepare the chili oil. I'll take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, some salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. I've been taken 2 bay leaves, 3 to 4 peppercorns, 2 to 3 cloves and 2 to 3 small sticks of cinnamon and 1 star anise. First I'm taking a glass jar. In that I'm going to add the chili powder, some salt and also a teaspoon of red chili flakes. We'll keep this aside. Meanwhile, I'll tell you how to prepare the oil. First I'm going to take a pan. I'm going to dry roast the whole masalas. The bay leaves, cardamom, cloves and cinnamon sticks. I'm just going to dry roast for a few seconds. So you need to slightly roast it for a few seconds. After about 30 seconds or so, I'll just transfer the roasted whole masalas to a plate. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add some oil. You can either add olive oil or any cooking oil if you don't have the olive oil. And I'm going to add the roasted whole masalas which I kept aside. So I'm just going to keep the whole masalas in the oil for about 2 to 3 minutes so that all the flavors get absorbed in the oil. So it's been about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to pour this heated oil into the jar where I've added the red chili flakes and salt and the red chili powder. Now we have the chili oil which is prepared. So we can add this in the Hakka noodles, also in the fried rice. It will add some flavor to the noodles.
So the very tasty and yummy Hakka noodles is ready. So as I told you, I prepared the chili oil. So we can drizzle a little bit of chili oil before serving, and also can add a little bit of the crushed peanuts if you like it. It will have a nice crunchy taste. And finally, we can top it up with the fresh spring onions. This will also add to the flavor of the Hakka noodles. So I hope you'll all like this recipe and try out this recipe. And if you like it, please share it with your friends and relatives. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please click on the bell icon for further interesting recipes like this. Have a nice day.